With a population of only 39,000, the second smallest country in the world covers only 499 acres. That's 0.78 square miles or 2.02 kilometers squared. For comparison, the largest country in the world is Russia, which measures in at 6.6 million square miles.
I speak poor, I don't understand.
This country is well known for its casinos, fast cars, and glamorous residents. So, what would you do if you had one night in the country of glitz and glamour? Well, here's how we spent it. We are heading to Monte Carlo Casino. This place has been in several movies like Monte Carlo and Once Upon a Crime.
And it's in Madagascar, right?
Yeah! To be honest, I don't have much experience at casinos, but I'm excited to give it a go and just see what it's like. Yeah, this is one of the most famous casinos in the world. Dave, how are you going?
I'm so lovely. So slaying very much, yes, slay.
I'm looking forward to winning big. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers. That's so cool. I've decided I want to be rich. I've just decided rich in knowledge. When talking about Monaco, the number one family you want to hear about is the Grimaldis. They essentially are Monaco. This area. They started their reign in the 13th century and solidified it in the 15th. Prince Rainier, the most famous and well-known Grimaldi, pretty much turned Monaco into what you would know is Monaco today. He was the one who reduced the gambling taxes, so instead of 9%, it was 3%, and pretty much made it the lifestyle of the rich and famous. But that's not what he's most well known for. Some of you may or may not know Grace Kelly. She was a famous actress, beautiful, award winner of her time, and she had a real-life Princess Diaries moment.
I speak poor, I don't understand. I speak poor.
It is. I want to live here. Is it too much to ask? I think it is, but... During the filming of a Hitchcock film, she met Prince Rainier and they fell in love. Within a year, they're engaged. It was like the story of a lifetime. They were incredibly in love and they had 2 beautiful children. Oh my gosh.
Hi guys. I hope you will enjoy this beautiful video.
Yeah.
We are in Monaco. Enjoy the beautiful time here.
Wow. It was all great and wonderful, but unfortunately it did not end that way. Around 20 years after they got married, Grace Kelly and their daughter Stephanie were driving and Grace Kelly had some sort of heart attack or stroke and they drove off the road and unfortunately she died. It was absolutely tragic, it rocked the nation, and it fell in line with the sort of curse of the Grimaldis. So since around the 13th century, it was said that this family could never find happiness in marriage, and there have been multiple tales of different members in the family having rough troubles in marriage, and this one fell within it. Despite that, this story still remains one of the most beautiful love stories within Monaco. The idea of falling in love with a prince and having that happily ever after moment did ring true for Grace Kelly. Oh my, I cannot believe that I'm here right now. Like this just feels, I feel like I'm in a movie. This makes me so excited for film and TV and hopefully one day getting to shoot it in locations like these. Wow. I wonder like what people's lives are like here. Like I just want to sit down and people watch for a day. I don't understand how people get to this stage of life. It's crazy. Look at these houses. Guys, I'm pretty sure that there is someone famous here because they just had like police cars surrounding a specific car. So, that's fun. gotta have the Tabasco sauce. Look at all these kids, Victor and his kids. Getting in the element. We are embodying. Right. You look like a princess. Hi. Sorry. Can you please make sure that my breakfast is well cooked? Victor, can you get the Ferrari, please? That's what I asked for. Victor, I said Ferrari now. Wow. Oh, you princess. Let me get a video of you walking down.
Welcome to F1 Monaco.
We are approaching the casino. Every person here, like you can tell is a local, they literally look like they're in a movie. Like this guy was smoking a cigarette, and I don't condone that, but he was smoking a cigarette, and like he was just sitting there, like he was not bothered by anything in life, and it was like a literal movie. They have a casino right there, and then here they have jewelry stores. So then people make the money
And then spend it immediately.
yeah.
Dodge.
Guys, so I just actually went into the casino and it was so crazy. First of all, the interior was out of this world. It was crazy to see how addicted people are, and like their faces to the screens are like that. Like there's no tomorrow. What else? And I also threw $5 off the balcony, €5 off the balcony. Hey!
Can you send that to me?
Yeah, sure. I don't know what was in the background, but sure.
They were walking a pole when you were taking a photo anyway. She was walking and like smiling. You didn't notice.
Would I do it again? Probably. Would you do it again? Did you even go in?
No, I didn't go.
Okay.
We had 20 minutes.
I know. So
Once the sun comes on, I'll be doing my romantic silhouette. It's coming on now. To you, Riley. There used to be a greater tower.